family, most of the mornings, we like to eat homemade orange marmalade. And I like to prepare it by myself for whole year. This is the time to make orange marmalade because soon orange time will finish, so we can do it together. First, I have this tool. I peel all the zest in that way. If you don't have this tool, you can use that one, but peel it and then you just can slice it, but it takes long time. That's why I like to use this tool. It's quicker. So I peeled all my orange. It looks like that, and I put it in one side. I will need it later. And all oranges peeling in the same way. I peeled in total 6 oranges. My oranges is quite big. Now I start to clean the orange. We need to take all these white bits . So our orange is clean. Now we need to take out this white. We need to peel it. So this ready slice for the jam, for our marmalade. So one by one we need to separate that skin. Perfect. It takes long time, so we really need to be patient. But in the end, it's really delicious marmalade. Well, here is 6 big oranges. I chose the biggest oranges, no pips inside. So zest, orange without skin. I peeled all of them. Now I just put cold water from the tap. And now I leave it for one night, close with cling film. And leave it for one night, and tomorrow morning we carry on. All night the oranges was in the water. Now have this, and we need to all water pull. I just throw this water away. Here is the scale. And all oranges I put back, and I need to know how many grams of oranges I have. Here is 1 kilo 217 grams. So now I will put 1 kilo and 100 grams of sugar. All oranges I put in a pan. So now I add 1 kilo and 100 grams of sugar. And now I put my orange marmalade for boiling. Here we can see that it's starting to boiling. And we can mix it only a little bit. Help. Now marmalade boiling, and in that way we need to boil it 15 minutes and then switch off and leave it for cool down. It seems very juicy, but don't worry. After 15 minutes of boiling, switch it off and let it cool down. So in that way we have to boil it 3 times. The marmalade is cooled down. Now it looks like a little bit very juicy. And now I will put to boil again for 15 minutes. You can't imagine how nice it smells. After 15 minutes, switch it off and leave it cool down again. And now I put orange marmalade to boil 3rd time. It's already quite thick. The marmalade starts to boil. So now we count 15 more minutes and put in the jars. After 15 minutes of boiling, switch off, mix, and start to fill the jar. You can think that it's runny, but when it cools down, it's gonna be more thicker and delicious. Look at this beautiful. Mix again.